gotta cut the fucking grass.
Throw my fucking Larry.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, look at that.
So what you doing? What you doing? Tell me.
I'm out of tree, some scrims and tires. Stop videoing that. Waiting for old dude to get here.
Beat him.
Hey.
Lance is going to get rid of these junk ass, bald ass fucking tires.
It's loud.
Preach. Lance, what you doing? Give us an update. You're not gonna see this till like 2 months from now, but it's.
You gotta step it up.
You wanna get that from Gage?
Yeah.
I told you he had some.
Yeah. Trina, what's going on
The
with your
lift
radio?
life isn't for me.
What's that? Is it styrofoam? Oh, you fucked it up.
Dude, why'd you do that,
Going
Lance?
on the video. Cut.
You gotta cut that out.
You got a belt?
I got a belt at my house, but I don't know if it's gonna fit.
Fucking lemon.
It's for.
Blew the belt.
You think a Polaris Ace 700 belt would fit?
You think I'd give a fuck?
Yeah. Maybe we could go get it. I
It'll
think
work.
it's still at my house. I don't know where it's at, but it's in the shade somewhere.
800?
Rangers, right?
Range 800, my bad. They typically do this number.
Oh, dude, you know I see that all the time. All the
It
time.
might have done that too. I mean, it don't want to move, but I mean,
Damn.
it's very yeah.
No, it's very common.
So that's what happened.
Wait, hey,
that's what happened to
hold
your
up.
bike.
Hold up, Drew.
Yeah. That's not the same as yours though. It's already unbolted.
Oh, he took the pieces up. Oh my god, dude, mine's like 6 inches long.
What wire did he cut off of his? Because his fuel gauge don't work.
Yours is working? No, like it's good.
Yeah.
It's FLO, and then like so they got some like waves underneath. Yeah, you work. Yeah.
You got it?
No, I can't get to it.
Yes, bad. It's bad. You need a shorter extent, a longer extension, bro.
No, I just can't get my hand. I don't want the bolt. I don't want it to drop.
No, what you gonna?
Hey, don't strip them hoes out.
No, I did.
I stripped mine out.
Yeah, because you're a dumbass.
Yeah, but then I put a blade.
These don't have nuts. Yours have nuts?
It's just a screw.
Yeah.
It's exactly like that. Dude. Oh my. Oh my. Was that in there too?
Need a belt?
Need a belt?
That's actually worse than mine. I didn't think mine.
Let me see that.
Dude, don't touch me on the ass again.
About to
man.
put a secondary. Fucking belt's toast.
Dude, do it. Do it. Want me to hold it?
Now I'm waiting for Drew to come with that pry bar.
Look, there's even a belt on the boat. Like that. You probably. I think it's good.
Doubt.
Stop saying, bro.